place it right, so it just makes sense.
Right.
I like it there. Except if somebody went to the bathroom, could have self-exploded.
No, man. It's not measuring a degree of snoviness. It's just measuring the temperature of a resident. So
You're like, you're 78 degrees, you're about to combust.
exactly. So no, it won't be an issue. So what I'm gonna do, because if it's here, this is zero issue. If it's here, it's virtually zero issue. It's just that one.
I agree.
Because we're not hiding anything, you know, when it comes to here.
Yeah, as long as you guys don't draw my columns or posts.
No, let's do it. We come right down through where guys are, you know, electrical is that. Oh, this is. Oh, I see what that is. That's what he's asking me. That's what he's
Kick plate, yeah.
Yeah. So I mean, that's very easily.
Okay, so I'll do this. I'll put this as number 3.
So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just not gonna run any thermostat. I got my wires. I'm gonna wait till we pick which one.
Perfect.
And then
That works.
because that's not.
And what are you
As long
guys
as
doing?
it's before your sheetrock.
Oh, yeah. What are you guys doing with your grills? You're taking all that with you?
No. I'm gonna keep them here with you. You actually, what I always recommend is screw the grill to where it's going.
Yeah.
Then when you get to that portion, unscrew them, put your sheetrock, screw them back in, and then you don't have any problems. If it's better for you, just hold on to it.
Let's put them in the short loft. We're done up top on the framing.
So that's cool.
So any of your HVAC ductwork or
Right.
grills, we can put up in the short loft.
Okay.
Mainly it's for theft, but I mean, if somebody comes in and steals that stuff, it's like, good. So yeah, those can go up top. The ductwork you can leave here. You guys coming back tomorrow?
No, it probably won't be tomorrow. I'd like to come back.
When do they finish their ductwork?
Wait, that'll be done today.
Oh, well.
Yeah,
Okay.
all of it go. I mean, it wasn't this.
Okay.
So yeah, the ducts will be in. The unit is actually ready to go. With the exception of, tying it around the unit. Everything else is pretty much done. So the only thing we would have left is the finish out with the drills. These guys, they'll be done. The service guys will be doing it.
Okay.
It's really nice. These are.
They're awesome.
Yeah, what they do, when it blows down, it's really nice because when it hits, it separates it so much and gives such a great distribution that even if you're directly under it, you won't feel it. It's gonna be all around you as opposed to blowing like a fan on you.
Well, I like the look, is what I'm looking for.
Oh, yeah, that's what I mean.
Let's just get to the real deal. I like the look. Okay. So we're in good shape.
Yeah, we're looking good. We talked about possibly what we want to do with that after.
Okay.
Got the gas line, we're gonna move the gas line. And I'm thinking once your gas meter is moved, we can actually come back and do we can come back and do gas.
Yeah. No. Let's simplify. Keep the car.
Yeah, because everything else is, all the hard stuff is actually done. You cut the roof. You got the flange and the roof. I'm just
That's shady.
Yeah. What? It's going where?
Right. It's supposed
to be over here. I'm just
He's already looking. Look at it. No, but really, so all of the stuff with the hose is done. All we got now is the thermostat and the finishing. The grills for over here.
Yeah. Tape wrap everything, drywall and paint.
Tape.
Perfect. All right, I'm out here for lunch.
We probably only got about 30 minutes to an hour.
Okay.
My guy's pulling up any minute with this.
All right.
Replace it. Okay, once that goes through the hole there, we'll run that exactly in line with each
I
other.
appreciate it's detailed, but it's, now, you guys,
No.
take that?
No, because it's exposed, the open. Yeah, so now if you look at it and you say to yourself, well, the tape that we use is regular silver. You know, I prefer. Because the inside of your cell color, yes, it's actually is inside. So yeah, so it's inside, it's attached, and then the screws are also silver. So it adds, you know what I mean? Like,
Fine, okay, so it doesn't lose CFM around the
no,
edges.
no. Everything is sealed correctly for what it's supposed to be.
What I was gonna do is pull the HVAC and the heating unit in for the hot water heater, and I'll do it. That's it. I don't know if there's anything else you can do.
Because this is gonna be sheet rock. So I think the boot gotta come all the way through.
You need to come back and I put my bull rails in this way. So I need to put. Oh, alright, I fix it.
Your boot. No, what I'm saying, because I think your hole is not big enough, is it? You never got it. What am I? What you doing?
I need to make a big.
Yeah. I'm just saying.
Come on, man.
You got it.
Yeah.
Mio, what are you doing, man?
Bien, sigue ahorita atrás ya.
You got a drill? You need another drill?
Yeah, I found it. Déjalo estar, ¿no? ¿Dónde? You alright, yeah?
Victor gonna kill you when he comes down that ladder.
I can't control the wood, I just control the metal.
Victor,
Oh, I tell already, if you andro to the this side, I don't pay.
you don't get paid if you fall through?
Yeah.
Basically, your
It's
fault.
mud, man. You see it's mud there? You see it's mud. You don't care about that?
That's nothing.
Era más para atrás,
¿Ahí la quieres, no?
no la veis la.
Sí, te le suele las dos, te la hago la otra.
Yeah, it's good. Go back a little.
Ahí. Ahí está. Ahí me lo carajo. No, es true. Sí, no. You see now?
I see that?
Yeah. Carnal.
Me voy.
Really, come on down.
Yeah.
Victor thinks he's skinny. You know he told me he's losing weight. Why are you breaking the concrete over there? You see what you was doing?
Hold it, okay? Dame los pendúes. Para los pendúes por ahí. ¿Tienes tape por ahí arriba?
What you need?
Me paso un cacho de strap.
Right here, Victor.
No, pendúes. ¿Dónde? Ya está. Échame la punta por ahí, güey. Para que le sube, ¿ok? Le cortas alrededor. Y dame un cacho de tape.
Yo, you remember that long food that we took in the store? It was about this long? Little things. Oh, that's it.
Good to say, come look.
Échamela, bro.
You. Good to say, come check them out.
Huh?
Say, come check them out.
¿Ya le echaste mastic? No. Ya le dimos tiempo de vida.
I didn't say I didn't believe you. I just said everything was this. Then put it up.
Get it first. You don't work. No me stop.
Hey, there's the flue pipe right there I was telling you.
Come on.
It's too much. You know we gotta be, what, 2-3 feet above the roof line?
You don't need to sit. You don't need to. You don't need to put 2-3 feet because it's too short. The ceiling. When you run the roof line, you need to run before the people see in the street.
Yeah, but it has to be at least 2 feet from the, he don't know.
¿Dónde la quieren?
Don't lie.
¿No la quitan?
Yo creo.
¿La quieren que le traiga una puerta más grande? ¿Sí?
No, era un día por ahí. ¿Qué pasó?
¿No trae usted?
Voy a cagar un palo, güey, que ya lo voy a... Ya te lo monte.
¿Cómo lo va a hacer?
Arregla las perras, papi, nos vamos.
¿Cuál? ¿Qué tiene que hacer?
Moverlo en el pipe, vamos a quitar el pipe.
¿La va a quitar todo otra vez?
¿Sí?
Victor, that's not enough, man.
Okay, go to buy more.
No, this one.
You don't can put that's too much.
No, if you go from the elbow in here,
Ya le pusiste.
because it'll be 2 feet from the elbow to the roof, and then 3 feet above.
That's fine. Okay.
You don't
You
think?
said that? Never put in my life like that, but I got 50
Victor, have you seen it come off the roof this
I
much?
know.
You like that?
I don't lie, but that's like when you run the big one,
Yeah.
you see what's going on.
Did you see the one next to it? You saw the one next to it was 3 feet.
But before you do shit work.
In the past, like a long time
How
ago?
long is that house?
About 100 years?
That's the thing. You do shit work before. I do fruit pies like every day.
Okay, so when the inspector come, he look at that, and he tell me, add
I'll
some
go
more.
for you. You wanna go buy one?
No, I'm just saying, if he say that, then you believe me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Think like I got like no, you're the boss. You tell me now.
No.
So I don't wanna come back.
You tell me you
Okay.
did this a million times.
Yes, sir, but I don't wanna come back. If you tell me yes, the inspection pass now. You know, if you put that, the inspection don't pass for that.
Okay, good.
Because
Everybody hears that, right? You got wage. How much you wanna bet? You wanna make a bet
Of course
for
I-
dinner? Let's bet dinner. Let's bet dinner.
Yeah.
And the inspector tell me to increase it. I bet you Longhorns.
But go buy it 3 feet. 3 feet is fine. I don't have a more 5, but that's what I do. Córtala al lado,
I
güey.
want the 3 feet.
¿No la empieza a quitar o qué?
Sí, güey, quítala. Déjala.
A couple of guys would run down the street with a big box,
No.
La fruit fight?
Man,
Believe me, I'm keep your eye on that. I'm watching.
yeah, I'm in and out all the time. I'm looking at it, be crazy.
This guy's like running down the street like, uh-oh, gotta go.
No.
Puras mamadas aquí, güey.
Okay. What do I gotta do? I need to eat lunch. So, do we have any other questions?
Oh. Hey, Lord. I need to say something.
¿Qué pasó aquí? ¿Ya ves ese pedazo de techo?
No, money.
¿Qué pasó, don Mario? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué? No, no lo puedes.
Well done. So can I show this to a client or?
Yes.
Yeah.
If you want to take a picture of it, you can take a picture of it.
Yeah.
What else do you have?
Quita esa fruta, güey.
Don't worry. It's not like
What, Victor?
I keep telling him, don't worry, I'm not running for president. Pretty much won't get me there. So, can you explain this? Why we're using this collar?
Other than how pretty it is?
How pretty it is. It is not just a stylish hat. It's actually sealed, so when we actually fasten it to another duct, what it will do is keep a nice clean line, but more importantly, it'll keep the air from leaking out because it's sealed against the other ductwork, which maintains the CFM, cubic feet per minute, of the airflow, so you get a much more efficient duct. It's not the El Cheapo stuff, this is good quality. And it's a hat.
You good? Cool. This.
Girlie, I saw all those nails. Holy tamale. Are you serious? Wow, that's a lot of good nails. Okay.
Hey, Jeff.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I'll move it.
This touchscreen, new. It's beautiful. No button. Back illuminates.
This is a new Pokemon game.
As you can see, we have the ducts coming through, ceiling there. In a little bit, we're going to take a roll around the ceiling so you can see the whole picture of all the ducts that just got put in today. A lot of people here.
Here, we're gonna take it with you.
That's on you. I mean, if you want to put it up there, or I'll keep it when it's time to go in.
I say we keep.
Got the electrical, heating and air is coming, and plumbing is next.
This is where I stand.
This guy.
And man, you guys got extra debris.
You showed him what it does to the roll, right?
Yeah, they already took a look down. So they've got some extra stuff that works.
Welcome back to the jiggle room, and we're gonna sign off for lunch. See you in a bit.